Hello everyone, this is Dr. Ravi Khamar here. I am from my clinic in Dubai and I am the spine specialist physiotherapist and vestibular specialist physiotherapist who has a dizziness and everything. I am specialist for that as well. Okay, so now today I am going to just give you some basic introductory exercises. The patient who has a dizziness, vertigo or this kind of symptoms, they can follow all this exercise at the home for like 2 to 3 times in a day and still they can get benefit and they can rid of that symptom as well. So today I'm going to start with the very basic exercises. So before we start exercises, I want all the patient to sit in the sitting position. Okay, then you do exercise. Before to start exercise, I want that they should have one pen in the hands or might be some card in the hands. You should have one card or pen, it's enough. So first you're going to sit down in the chair. And the first exercise you're going to do, okay, that is very simple exercises. So first you are going to sit down and you're going to focus on the pen and you're going to follow the pen left to right like this with the eyes, no head movements like this. This one you have to repeat for 15 repetition. You can see I'm just following with my eyes. Okay, so this is like from here to here, this is 1 count, this is 2 count, like that 15 counts. Now after the exercise it will be like up and down, same thing. You can see my eyes, I'm following with my eyes again 15 times. After that, cross like this way and another cross again 15 times like this way. And the last, just rotate fully like this way and rotate again 15 times in reverse direction. So these all exercises I have to repeat for 15 times in sitting position. After these exercises, okay, you just have to hold the pen in your hand and just do this exercise while focusing on the one point in the pen for 2 minutes like that. You can also do up and down for 2 minutes continuous. Okay, fine. Now I'm coming to the part of the progression, how you should start and how you should progress in the exercises. So first of all, as I shown you all these exercises, okay, so how to the progress in exercises? So first you start with a very slow speed, okay, and gradually once you feel more comfortable, you can progress to a little bit higher speed, and you can also increase the repetition number. Like I told you, basic repetition minimum 15 should be required, but you can also take it up to like 30 or 60 as per your convenient and as per your capability. Okay, so now all these exercises, some patients have dizziness while doing exercises, so nothing to worry, don't stop any exercises. Please keep doing exercise even if you feel dizzy, because unless and until you don't feel little dizzy in that particular exercise, you will not have the progression, you will not have a recovery. Okay, now if some patient is telling too much dizzy, or if they cannot continue the exercise, they feel like nausea or vomiting, so at that time you can just stop the exercise for 1 minute or 2 minutes and then again start the exercises. And after again doing that for 2 to 3 times, still you feel nausea or vomiting, stop the exercises, meet your physiotherapist or meet your ENT specialist physician and just take guidance of that. Okay, now the last exercises which I have shown you, just to remember all that exercise very easily if you know mathematics. Okay, so in the mathematics, what we know in mathematics, we know plus sign, right? So plus sign 1 here and 1 up like that. So you can see the 2 movements is already over. One is left to right and one is up and down. Then in the mathematics we have cross. So one is like that and one is another direction cross like that. So you can also finish that exercise. And 0. So if you just remember plus sign, cross sign and 0. So all you can remember all the exercise movements, so you don't have to confuse. Okay, so this is just a very basic formula to remember all the exercise. Now after this exercise, if you still comfortable, you can start doing exercises like head movement. So in the head movements, again, like first head movement will be up and down. This again you have to repeat for 15 times, and again head movements is left to right. Now first you will do 15 repetition, okay, like up and down and left to right with open eyes. If you still comfortable, you can do this same exercise with closed eyes and left to right like that. Okay, so you can adjust the speed and frequency as per your convenience, but I advise start with a slow speed and gradually you can increase the speed and the frequency at the same time numbers, okay, as you feel comfortable. Okay, if you have any doubts regarding any exercises, you can directly approach me, you can reach up to us. Okay, I will be very happy to guide you in your process. Thank you so much.